Hey, so how would you like to add an extra $29,000 to your revenue in the next 30 days with just two little text messages? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how we did that and how you can do it too. We were basically going to do a product launch, and we decided that in addition to the emails that we're sending out, we're going to send out a few texts, and we were going to put some UTMs on those and track them in Wicked Reports and see how the texts actually do. So we sent out this 27-word text. It's, hey, first name, it's Devin. We're about to reveal an insane method for passive income, and it's a free 3-part series. Click here to see more. So that went out to our whole list, right? Sent out to a little bit less than 7,000 people. And basically we tracked it, and 27 words, it made over $21,000. So you can see it's amazing. Basically, zero copywriting skills. All we did was we invited people via text to the webinar, tracked it all the way through. And those people that actually clicked on those text messages generated 21,000. Now, you might be saying, well, right now I don't have a huge 7,000 person list or 10,000 person list or whatever. It's okay. Well, I got another one for you, because in that same month, just a few days later, we sent out another text to a much, much smaller list. It went out to about 700 people, so about 10% of the list. You can see here the text, again, is no amazing work of art. It just says, hey, first name, this is your last chance to register for today's call at 2 p.m. Eastern. We're going to go over a foolproof way to make an extra $100 a day on Amazon, plus giving away thousands in cash prizes and the new MacBook Pro. All you have to do is attend live, and you can win. Register here. So we track that as well. And that simple text resulted in over 200 clicks and actually made $8,000. So, it brings us to the question, like, why use SMS? Well, I think, guys, it's pretty obvious here. There's so many benefits of it. It's so easy. Like, it's extremely easy to get started with. You can see that you can just sign up and send this to your list and just invite them to your webinars or whatever, and you can actually crush it with that. Saves a ton of time versus email. I mean, literally, how long does it take to send these like 2-line texts? You don't have to like work on this great, amazing copy or anything. It's just like, hey, we have this thing, go here, right? Huge return on investment, huge return on time investment. You don't know how to write copy. And like I said, you don't even need a huge list. The first one did go out to a bigger list, but even if you have a small list or a segment of the list, it can be even more effective that they know it's coming. So let me show you actually one more thing that's really cool that illustrates the point of why text is so effective. And you don't even have to have a huge list. So check out this little graph. So this is comparing email versus text. Now, first of all, disclaimer is that I love email, and I think it's the best thing ever. But adding text puts just like fuel on the fire, right? So check this out. It's email versus text. This shows you the benefit that, even if you have a much smaller list, because of the attention that texts get, you can actually, drive a lot more with text with even a smaller list. Okay, so on the email on the left-hand side, we can see that 10,000 sent, 40% open. That means 4,000 opens, 25% click rate. This is even a pretty good, open rate for email. You get 1,000 clicks, right? Well, here's the thing with text. If you send 10,000, texts have a 98, 99% open rate. So that's over 9,000 opens. You get a 25% click. That means you get over 2,000 clicks, which if you compare it, you can see that, you're getting more than double the amount of clicks with text. And these are relatively reasonably accurate numbers. Just because of the fact that so many more texts get opened, you're going to see awesome results. So that is tactic number 1, super simple. Whatever event that you have, send out a 2-line text message, invite people to it, track it to make sure it's working for you. But if it did anything like us, it's going to be pretty amazing for you. So that's tactic number 1. Add an extra $30,000, something like that, in 1 month with just a couple of texts. Pretty awesome. All right.